Good morning, I'm Pham. Have you ever woken up feeling tired and stiff? Me too, but just a few minutes each morning can change that. 3 simple moves will help you wake up your body, improve flexibility, and get ready for a day full of energy. This is a small gift you give yourself, an investment in your health and spirit. Come on, let's get started. The first move is the deep squat hold, a natural position we used to do when we were kids. Stand tall, feet wider than your shoulders, toes pointing out a little. Take a deep breath, slowly lower your body as if sitting in a low chair, hips lower than your knees. Place your elbows inside your knees, bring your hands together in front of your chest, and gently push your knees out with your elbows. Keep your back straight. Imagine the top of your head being pulled up to the ceiling, and your hips sinking to the ground. Breathe evenly, and with each exhale, sink deeper into the pose. Feel the stretch in your groin, thighs, and the release in your hip joints, areas that are often overlooked. If it's hard to balance, you can put a towel under your heels. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, increasing the time as you get better. This move improves flexibility in your hips, knees, and ankles, helps with digestion, and reduces lower back pain. Gently sway from side to side to release stiffness in your hips. Don't rush, change comes from being patient every day. After enough time, put your hands on the floor and slowly stand up. Feel the relief and flexibility in your lower back and hips, your first achievement of the day. Next is the thoracic bridge, or upper back bridge, which helps open your chest and release your upper back. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you, wider than your shoulders. Take a deep breath, press your heels and hands down, and lift your hips into a tabletop position. Keep your hips high, shift your weight to the right, lift your left arm, and reach it over your head, looking at your hand. Open your chest, rotate your upper body towards the ceiling, and feel the stretch on your left side. Hold for a few seconds, breathe deeply, then bring your arm back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Shift your weight, lift your right arm over your head, and open your chest on the right. This move helps make your thoracic spine flexible and reduces neck and lower back pain from sitting a lot. Each arm reach is a chance to open your chest, increasing confidence and energy. Do 5-8 reps on each side, focusing on the quality of your movement and breath. This move is an antidote to modern life, waking up stiff muscles and joints. When you're done, slowly lower your hips and sit up tall. Breathe deeply. Feel the difference in your upper back and shoulders. Ready for a new day with a confident and upright posture. The last move is one-leg balance combined with hip rotation. It builds focus and hip flexibility. Stand tall, focus your gaze on a point in front of you, shift your weight to your left leg, lift your right leg, bending your knee at 90 degrees. Keep your upper body steady, rotate your right knee outward, opening your hip as much as you can. Circle your leg back and then lower it to the ground, returning to the starting position. Continue by reversing the motion. Lift your right leg, bring it back, circle it forward, and return to the starting position. Do 5 to 8 circles outward and inward for each leg. If it's hard to balance, you can lightly hold onto a wall or chair. This move helps lubricate your hip joints, strengthens your glute muscles, and improves your reflexes and focus. Switch sides, repeat with your left leg. Notice any differences between the two sides. Adjust to balance your body. When you're done, stand tall, close your eyes, and feel the stability, freedom in your hip joints, and focus in your mind. Your body is fully awake and ready for the new day. So, we've finished 3 simple morning exercises, just a few minutes each day, and you'll feel a clear change in your body and mind. Make this set of exercises a habit, like a self-care ritual. Thank you for working out with me. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a day full of energy.